Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You're given this information. I made a picture out of it. You have a triangle. One side's length 160 feet, one side's length is 180, and the remaining side length is 123.5 feet. And I just labeled the angles A, B, and C, and you want to find the three angles. Well, if you're given three sides, then the only tool you have to find an angle is law of cosines. So I just decided to go ahead and find C, the largest angle to start with. So here's law of cosine. So I put in 180 for lowercase c, 160, and 123.5. Order here wouldn't matter. It's just the other two sides minus 2 times the product of the other two sides cosine of c. We're looking for this angle. So I squared 180. I squared each of these numbers and added. Oh, I forgot to break down this part here. It should have been minus. Let's see. Let's see. This product here is 39,520 times cosine of c. Now subtract this 40,852.25 from each side. Then I divide each side by this 39,520 negative. So I get 0.2139 equals cosine of c. Then I put that in the calculator, inverse cosine of 0.2139. I get c 77.7 degrees. So I only used the law of cosines once. Then I switched to using law of sines. It's a little easier. So I decided to find this angle here. So sine of A over the 123.5 would equal sine of 77.7, which I just found, over 180. Multiply each side by 123.5. Put this in the calculator. It comes out to 0.6702. Take the inverse sine of that, and I get 42.1 for angle A. Only thing we got left is B. The sum of the angles is 180 degrees, so I subtract C and A from 180, and I get angle B is 60.2 degrees. Hope this helps.